Hi, welcome back to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Cincom Smalltalk product manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that you may not be aware of, but we think you will benefit from. Any questions, comments, please send them to athomas@cincom.com. So today's Hidden Gems is about something called TabbedWindow. And it's something brand new for 9.1, which is now shipping. And so we're going to do a little what, why, how here. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about TabbedWindow. Why? Well, it allows you to open up your applications in tabs. Why is that important? Well, tabs are very familiar. If you use an internet browser like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, you're probably pretty familiar with using tabs as it is. And if you want to open up your applications in a number of tabs in a window, we show you how to do that. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So how? We show you how. We're going to cover these things, so let's get right into this list here. Where to find TabbedWindow. If you simply browse, look for TabbedWindow, it is right here. It is a subclass of visual part. You can find some information about it by looking at the API there. Where to find documentation? Well, if you go into release notes for 9.1, let me see if I can pull this over here. Here we go, release notes for 9.1. In the GUI section, you'll find information on TabbedWindow right here, and it tells you about how to use it. This is in the GUI section, release notes 9.1. So you can read some more information about some more specifics that you may be interested in. So that's where to find it, where to find the documentation. Now let's talk about using it. In the past, in Hidden Gems, we've built some applications, and we've built some of the applications also using Domain Master. Here's an example of one. Give me a list of stocks. These are stocks that are in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So that's a simple app that I can use modularly and with other applications. Here's another one, Stocks Filter App. So I can see, and I can say, show me all the stocks in the manufacturing sector. Show me all stocks in a particular industry, etc., of an exchange, or do a search. So this is a stock filter app. We're looking at 30. If we go to a particular sector right here, notice the number changes. So that's a stock filter app. We can quickly filter out by this criteria. So what if we wanted to open up those applications in a tab? Well, I have an example right here. We have the stock list app, and instead of simply saying open, we say with TabbedWindow ID. And the ID here, if we use the same ID, it will open up these different applications in the same window with a different tab. So if I go right here, remember you can put the cursor at the end and simply click on the Do It. And here I have the stock list app as a tab. Okay, it's a little bit different because normally this would be up in as the window label. Now it is in a tab. Here is the stock list filter app. If I do this, so now I can quickly move back and forth between these applications because they are tabs in this window. And you can also do the workbook, or right here where you open up a workspace. It's called workbook, and for example, I can add one of these to my window also if I want to have an extra scratch pad area for trying things out. So that is how simple and straightforward it is to open up your applications in tabs, and how to manage that with the window ID. I also mentioned it can open up more than just applications in these tabs. So for example, if you want to see some examples of that, go to the TabbedWindow class. On the class side, you will find a method called TabbedWindow example. And if you highlight that and do it, you will get a window with tabs. You will have a logo, rotated text, lines, a document object dropped into here, and like we showed you how to do, a workspace. And that's right here where we give it a block and the same tabbed window ID that allows them to open up in the same window. And here we actually did these. We set these up and then we opened up the window all at once. Whereas the way I did it, I opened up the window and then added new things, new tabs to that window. So this is where you'll find it. Remember, for this, if you want to run this example, if you place the cursor just inside the quote and double click, it highlights it, and then you can right click and do it in order to run that example. So let's recap. Tabbed window, it's very easy. The API is very straightforward and allows easy opening of applications and tabs in a window. Tabs are familiar. We show you where to find it, where to find documentation. We showed you how to use it, and opening up examples of more things in the tabbed windows example. And all this is brand new for 9.1. So if you're a customer, grab hold of 9.1. It will be available sometime in the future in PUL. Again, any questions, comments, suggestions, send them to athomas@cincom.com. Until next time, have a great time with Cincom Smalltalk.